talk. Do you guys believe that men and women can be just friends? Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Q Talks by IQ Podcasts, the show where we cut through the noise and filter facts from fiction. I'm Kareem.
And I am Mahimin. Tonight's episode is called We Were Never Just Friends. Medyo intriguing, di ba?
Oo, parang teleserye title. Actually, we're not just gonna talk about love life, but about how we see relationships and stories around us. Kaya kasi minsan, totoo, minsan, puro chismis lang.
Exactly, that's why we invite two guests na ready makipag-usap ng real talks. Please let's welcome Mr. Ayman and Miss Asima.
Yo,
What's up,
guys?
guys?
Hey guys, what's up?
Welcome.
Hi guys! Thanks for having us. I am so excited kasi ang juicy ng topic.
What's up everyone? Sana wala itong mag-away-away Friendly discussion lang.
No worries, bro. Hindi yan nangyayari. So, let's dive in. We were never just friends. What comes to your mind when you hear that line?
Honestly, parang red flag siya. Kasi it sounds like one person was assuming na friends lang. Pero yung isa pala, may hidden feelings na. That's where misunderstanding starts, right?
Yes, tama. At alam mo, may research from the University of Wisconsin na nagsasabing cross-sex friendships are complicated kasi hindi natin maiwasan minsan na may nararamdaman na ang isa.
Oh, pero I thought normal lang yun. Like, I thought na ayos lang maging friends ang dalawang tao kahit may silang feelings sa isa't isa. As long as klaro. Pero kung hindi klaro at puro assumptions lang, di ba nagkakaroon na ng mga problema?
Exactly. Tulad nung sa social media. Dami natin narinig na sinasabi na, sila na! Nag-date na sila! Pero ang totoo pala hindi. Dapat, we need to filter.
Oo, kasi sometimes iba yung narrative ng isang tao sa reality. Halimbawa, nakita ka lang with someone, pwede kaya may picture kayo. Isipin na nila na magjowa yan. Even though in reality, may group project lang pala kayo or group activity lang pala.
That's why dapat may info filtering. You don't just accept everything at face value. Same sa friendship. Kung hindi malinaw, ask directly. Hindi yung puro hula lang, di ba?
Grabe! Marami ko dyan naisip na hugot. Pero true. Clear communication solves a lot of problems. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Pero real talk, do you guys believe that men and women can be just friends?
Oo, pero dapat honest and transparent. If may feelings ka sa kanya, then tell him. Kasi if hindi mo sa kanya sasabihin, may possibilities na masira yung friendship nyo. At saka, wala namang masama umamin. Ang masama ay yung pagtatago.
Actually, same here. Pero yung sa akin naman is, if may jowa ka, you need to respect them both. Kasi if hindi, others might misinterpret.
That's the point. That's why we should learn to separate fact from assumptions, either in a love life, friendship, or even in a daily news. Kasi minsan yung chismis ang nagpapasira dito.
Jackpot. Kasi that's why, ang lesson ng story dito is, if you want to have a healthy relationships, dapat kailangan mo matuto kung paano mag-filter. Kung alin ang totoo, alin ang chismis, kung alin ang assumptions lang.
Exactly. Communication plus charity equals to less drama.
And less fake news sa love life.
So well said. And with that, wrap up na tayo, guys. So thank you for joining us tonight, Mr. Ayman and Miss IC.
Yes, and to our listeners, remember, we were never just friends. Maybe. But at least now you know how to filter from facts.
This has been
Q Talks by IQ Podcast.